Hello, welcome back to another entrepreneurial training section. My name remains Prince Yemi Kasali. In today's edition, we shall be talking about how to make coconut flour. Coconut flour, it's a remittance when we are making our groundnut oil. So let me quickly take you through that. But before we do that, I need you to subscribe to this YouTube channel if you're yet to do so. And also, please follow us on Facebook if you're yet to do so. So in order to make coconut flour, you need your coconut. You break your coconut. Then you remove the inside coconut. After removing it from the shell, you have to wash it, then remove that brown part of your coconut out because you don't want your flour to be of colors. So that is why you need to do that. Then after that, normal thing, you grind with hot water. Just the process of making coconut oil or the process of making coconut juice. So you grind it. After grinding, then you sieve. So the sieved part is our coconut flour. So after sieving, dry our shaft. You can use sun drying, you can use oven, and you can use hydrator. I'm a little bit in a hurry, so I want this to dry fast, and I can't wait days to dry in the sun. So, but you can decide to dry it in the sun if you want to. That will even give it good color. So I'll be putting this in my oven pan. So after that, I put it in my oven. The light coming from the up is the one I'm using. Then I take it below so that it doesn't burn it. So that means I take the shaft away from the light. So gradually it gets dry. It's still drying, but at least it's better than when I put it in. So I will have to put this back in order to dry more. So you can see some brown parts of it. Some are turning into brown, not black, not burning. It's just brown. So it means the heat is getting into it. So I still put it back again. When it is well dried, you can notice it's not very brown. Everything is not very brown. It's just slightly brown. So it is not being burnt. So, but it's dry now. So I'll put it in a grinder and grind very well. After grinding, you might decide to sieve it if your grinder is not good enough. But for my own grinder, I don't think I need to sieve. But I'll try it if I'll be seeing particles remnant, but I don't think so. My grinder is very good. So I'm still grinding. So this is it. As you can see, that's the powder. So that's our coconut powder. You can use this for your bakings, so as to put coconut flavor into whatever you're doing. But I'll be using this at home, so I'll be adding this to my wheat to eat. You can add it to your semo, you can add it to anything, just to have good meal. The flour is very, very good. It's very, very good, especially people who are going through losing of weight should take more of coconut milk, coconut oil, and so on. So anything coconut helps in reducing weight and helps the system. So that's our flour. You see if I could sieve it after it has been cooled, because this process gets very hot. There's a lot of friction going on in it, so it's always very hot. So I'm trying to see if I'll be seeing particles, but unfortunately or fortunately, I'm not seeing any particle. I tried it outside because so as to see. As you can see, that's it. It's nothing is there is no remnants on it. So that's all about how to make coconut flour. Thank you very much. But please, if you're yet to subscribe to our YouTube channel, kindly do so. And if you're yet to like our Facebook page, kindly do so. Follow us on Facebook and subscribe to our channel on YouTube. And also try and purchase our Entrepreneurial 101 book. This helps you to produce a lot of things at home, especially skin and home care productions. And it also teaches about 40 businesses you can do online, apart from the 40 trainings on home care and skincare production. Thank you very much. My name remains Prince Yemi Kasali.